Guys, I'm on the 8th deck on the MSC Seascape, and we're fixing to walk across the Infinity Bridge. If you got scared of heights or don't want to see water below you, this is probably not the place to be. So let's take a walk across this and see what it looks like. There's the lure of the seas and the enchantment of the seas sitting here in Costa Maya with the MSC Seascape. You walk down, see down below there. Like I say, if you're scared, this is probably not the bridge to be on. Get here, I'll turn around and show you where I came from. Alright, I'm on the MSC Seascape and we're fixing to take a walk down the Infinity Bridge. Right there, you can see the water below us. I'll turn around, look back the other way, show you where we came from. Alright, it's windy, but it's night. I'm going to show you what this Infinity Bridge looks like at night. See the water down there. Kind of look over the balcony. I guess it's the glass. You can kind of see the water down there, what it looks like. Well, I know that was a short little video, but thanks for watching. Hey, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out my other cruise videos here at my end screen coming up. Until next time, happy cruising.